Now, good morning, children. Today, I will be explaining you the exercises of Standard 3 GK. Lesson number 29, that is International Organizations. Now, many international organizations provide help to people around the world. The International Committee of the Red Cross was founded by, it is the name of an international organization that is the Red Cross, was founded by a Swiss businessman Henry Dunant in 1863. The main aim of the organization is to provide medical help to those wounded in war. Wounded means those who got hurt in the war. So this Red Cross, they provided medical help to those who got hurt in the war. Then the Scouts and Guides movement was founded by Lord Baden-Powell in 1907. Its aim is to make young boys and girls strong and self-reliant through outdoor games. So here the main aim was to make the young boys and girls do their activities without taking the help of others. Outdoor activities. The United Nations was set up after World War II by the countries of the world on 24th October 1945. It works for peace and security in the world. So the main aim of this United Nations also is to work for peace and security in the world. Now there are some abbreviations that are given in the bottom. You have to match it. Now ISRO. The full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Then WHO, that is World Health Organization. Then ICJ, International Court of Justice. Then UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. So these are the abbreviation that you can write in your copy. Then turn the next page. That is sporting terms. That is lesson 31. Here you have to write certain terms in this blanks. The score of a cricket batsman out at 0, duck, a race in which each member of a team covers part of the distance, that is relay. The term used at the start of a game of tennis to indicate the score, love all. A free kick at the goal from a marked spot in football which only the goalkeeper is allowed to defend, that is penalty kick. In shooting, a shot that hits the center of the target, that is bull's eye. To lift the ball from the ground with the hockey stick, that is flick. Gently striking the ball towards a hole in golf, that is put. And a long stick used to hit the ball in billiards, that is cue. So these are certain words that are used in this sports, different sports. Now at the bottom you can see one more word is given, that is foul. Foul is the most common sporting term. It is used when a player breaks a rule of the game. You might have heard about this word while their games are played. So this is one more word that is used in some sporting term. This is a sporting term. So all this fill-ups you can write in your copy as it is given here and read the chapters thoroughly. Thank you.